I have these Stella McCartney flares that I would love to wear with these. I feel like these are like Caucasian mum going for the school run, but I'm still trendy, and be careful because they might snatch your husband. That's what I feel like they are. They're probably not, but if there's anything that even makes sense. Welcome back to my channel. So today is all about, oh my god, an unboxing of Alexander Mcqueen. So stay tuned because I'm going to unbox this box and you're going to see what I bought from Alexander Mcqueen. I just feel like all I know how to do is shop. I meant to start my own business, and really and truly everyone's like, when are you going to start your business? And I'm like, I don't know, when I stop buying shoes. It's really not funny, it's just really sad, and it's something I need to work on. But yeah, a little bit of a rant before the videos actually started. But if you are brand new to my channel and you're thinking, oh my god, this girl is super crazy, why not hit that subscribe button? I do videos on Sundays, Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and I would love to have you here. So why not hit that subscribe button? I mean, like, I've been waiting. Have you hit the subscribe button yet? Like, come on guys, we gotta go, we gotta get into the video. Oh, sorry, you've hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I did it again. I went shopping and I've been wanting these for ages, but I just did not buy them because I actually don't know. I just didn't buy them. I do this thing where when everyone's wearing a certain item that's trending, I won't buy it until it stopped trending. I don't know why. Not all the time, but like 99.9% of the time. And like, even when I bought these, my friend was like, baby, why are you buying these? Like, my love, they're like out of fashion. And I'm like, I know, but I just love them. But yeah, I'm rambling on. Let me just open the box. Ta-da! So with all trainers or like luxury items, or like most things depending on the company, you get given a lovely little luxury dust bag, and it just says Alexander Mcqueen. And I really hate packaging. Flipping hell, I hate so much packaging. It irritates me because I have to recycle, and we get our dustbin like once a week, but our dustbin is always full to the brim, and I don't know anyone on our streets whose dustbin is always full to the bin in terms of like recycling. Okay, that had nothing to do with it, but yes, these are the Mcqueen Runway trainers. Da 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 da. And I got these in a 35. I probably need to get one of these, this liquid proof protector from Offspring, because it just literally protects all my white trainers. Not that I have many. Yeah, I love these. I think these are very classic. I already have the Triple S and the Yeezys, so I wanted something very classic, very chic, very fashion forward. I've heard that these are very hard to break into, so I'm just gonna not wear them like if I'm going to work, but probably for like short runs, and I'm gonna have to clean them every day because they are white. I do want to get them in the black velvet or any type of velvet, to be honest, and I also wanted to get them in the glitter as well because I like the glitter. But then again, I really want to get another pair of Golden Goose. My trainer collection is really coming along. Sometimes I talk really fast, and like I am very well spoken and educated. I would like to think so. Yeah, I really talk really fast and I get my words mumbled up. But yes, I love these. I absolutely love these. I think they're very like Stella McCartney, darling, even though they're Alexander Mcqueen. But I mean, like, I have these Stella McCartney flares that I would love to wear with these. I feel like these are like Caucasian mum going for the school run, but I'm still trendy, and be careful because they might snatch your husband. That's what I feel like they are. They're probably not, but if there's anything that even makes sense. But what do you guys think? Are they out of fashion? Should I have got these trainers? Am I trying too hard? Maybe I'm getting old and I'm losing it, but I absolutely love them. But yes, so I'm gonna see if I can break into these around the house and then wear them out. Probably won't wear them to work because I don't want to like be struggling, and I did that one time with a pair of Vans. Literally, my friend had to be holding me because I literally couldn't walk. And I always find that with trainers, apart from the Yeezys, I have to take one size down. So yeah, I'm always like a 35 in trainers. I should have got a 35 in my Golden Goose, but they only had a 36 left, and I was like, I'm not missing that opportunity. But yes, I'm in love. Probably when I finish this video, I'm going to spray them with the liquid proof protector from Offspring. This just helps protect any fabric, suede, nubuck and sheepskin. It sounds like I'm doing an ad for them, but I really am not. But if you do want me to do an ad for you, I'll be happy. Like, but this literally protects all the trainers I have. Like, it's protected my Triple S's, and my Yeezy, so I highly recommend this. But yeah guys, that's what I bought from Mcqueen, and I thought I'd unbox it with you guys and share it. So guys, if you love this video, which I'm hoping you do, why not like it and share it? I'll be happy for you to share this video with a friend if you think they can benefit from this. And if you would like to know more about me, you can always follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the list below. You can follow me on Instagram. But yeah guys, that's it. That was a very quick unboxing. I didn't really have much to say, or maybe I had too much to say, I don't know. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember guys, to always stay what? Bougie.